Yo, what is up, YouTube? Here today I am back with a brand new video. Now here today I'm going to be discussing the most recent pieces that I've caught from the revenge drop that happened last Sunday. Now I am just now getting my pieces. It's probably been like after like the drop, a week after or so. But yeah, man, here we have the Black Varsity. Now this Varsity, I've been waiting on it for a long time. This was one of those pieces that I've been talking about for months and ages, it feels like. But ever since they leaked this piece, I was super excited about it. Now when I first saw it leaked, I thought it was actually going to be leather, and I didn't really find out that it wasn't going to be leather until not until up until really the day that it was about to come out, or when we got more leaked photos of it. But this Varsity jacket is really dope. It was a super weird price. I think the price was $168 or something like that. It was just a super weird price, and I was just like, huh, that's weird. But with tax and everything, it came up to almost $200. I honestly like the piece, but the only couple of gripes that I have about the piece is the sleeves not being leather, and of course the saying on the chest says 2020 instead of 2021. And I'm just like, why would you put a jacket out in 2021 with the jacket saying 2020, Garrett? It doesn't make any sense. You should have just fixed that damn problem. But I'm pretty sure you already had these fucking cooked up already, months in advance too, which we should have been gotten. I don't know why we're getting these now, and we're already in April of this year, which this year is going by super fucking fast. But let's get into it. So we got a whole bunch of things going on here. We got embroidery patches everywhere. We got stitching. We got all types of just crazy pockets and everything. I'm gonna be going into all that in detail. Here we have the R patch on the chest, and it's like that Chanel type of patchwork that they used to create the hoodies that they dropped not too long ago. That kind of remind me of that. And also the R kind of reminds me of the letters on the FTP jeans that I had caught a while back ago. But on this sleeve right here, you can see we got revenge 3 times. Now I know a lot of people were complaining about the revenge patches, about them being so many of them. It's kind of grown on me, but when I did first see it, I was like, that's kind of excessive a little bit. Maybe it's just one patch would have been fun, one patch in the middle. But I honestly like it, and I really think it's really sick. And here on the back here, we have of course, the infamous skull patch, and that's all the patches that are on the jacket. And of course, we have the stitching, and that is just on the other side of the pocket, of the front pocket. And the stitching, like I said, says all alone in the end, revenge 2021. I'm at 2020, which it should have said all alone in the end, revenge 2021, but it says 2020, as you can see here, which is a gripe, but I can just be like, fuck it, I can just deal with it. The actual detailing and the embroidery on the back made a lot more sense on the price of why it was so expensive and why it was priced weirdly. But I'm really excited. I'm super excited about wearing this jacket. It catches a lot of lint, of course, with the white lint getting on the black lint and the black lint getting on the white lint. And I'm really worried about how well I can keep the sleeves clean and keep my hair dye off of them. So that's another thing I've been worried about. But overall, this is a great jacket, and I was just super excited about it. I can't wait to make tons of fit pics with it. Now I got an XL for like an oversized fit, but I noticed that it still kind of isn't that baggy, so I'm pretty sure it's meant to fit like more of like a cropped type of jacket style. But I'm definitely glad I sized up, because if I didn't, I would have been super disappointed. But I want to say thanks for checking out the video, thanks for coming through and everything. As you can see here, I have a lot more coming up for the channel as far as like revenge drops and everything like that as time goes on, of course. But you can check out my other videos, you can check out all the other things that I review as far as revenge pieces go, and I will be back with the video on the tees and the hoodies that dropped with this jacket. And I want to say thanks again for watching my channel, thanks for tuning in and everything, and peace out. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.